in today's video I'm going to be doing a review, first impressions and demo of the Lottie London Selfie Ready foundation. It claims to be medium coverage and a matte foundation, and I'm using the shade Rich Toffee. So if you want to see how I get on with it, then just keep watching. Right, so as always, I prime my face with the First Base Priming Spray by NYX, and I'm going to use a flat top foundation brush to blend my makeup in. Now, it doesn't sound watery, but when I swatched it, I think it's going to be a bit dark, but we'll work with it, it's fine. I'll start off with this side, and as usual, I'll do one part of my face and then go on to the other part, just in case it dries down or the consistency goes funny, like if you let it dry a bit. Oh, okay, I think that's way too much. See, it's like, it's not watery, but it's kind of like a creamy consistency. Ooh. Don't know if that's coming up on camera, but it's a bit orange. I think when you look at it here in comparison to like here, it's a bit dark, but like a tad dark, but I think it blended really nicely. I'm not really bothered by that, because I can always like lighten it up if it is too dark with concealer. And it's always a way to work around products. It smells of something, I can't tell what. That blends so nicely. Wow. Like, it looks like my skin. It looks like my skin, literally. I'm so happy about that. Alright, I'm gonna try it on. I'll do my forehead first, actually. Next. It's annoying because the tube itself is quite stiff, so when you're squeezing product out, you could easily squeeze out too much. Maybe it wasn't too dark. I think when it's in a concentrated amount, it looks a bit dark, but now, as always, I don't cover or conceal any dark marks. I want to see how the foundation plays out on its own, so we'll try this side, see if it works. Okay, so that's one layer. I'd say it's probably medium coverage, because you can still see my dark marks, like quite a lot actually. So I'll go in with another layer. See, but here where my scar is very it's not very visible without makeup, you can still see it a little bit, and you can still see marks here, so I'd definitely say it's actually light to medium coverage. But I'd probably have to go over that with some concealer. Need to wet it. Damp sponge. I like the colour. I feel like if I didn't have such bad skin, it would look so much better as well. Or maybe if I concealed before, I'll show you my I showed you my how to hide acne scars and dark marks or hyperpigmentation without colour correcting video. How I do that method, this might work, but at the moment I'm just kind of looking for a full coverage foundation that I could just put on and it will hide my marks without me having to conceal or anything, which I have. So I'll leave a playlist link if I can somewhere around here. Yeah, it's nice. I'm not sure, what do you think? It looks a bit dark in comparison to my neck, I'll be honest, but as I said, I can do that. I can fix it up with concealer, and I just won't like do bronzing really. I'll probably just do like a slight contour, and then under eye concealer I might make that a bit brighter. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back in a minute to see how it held up. Right, so I'm back now, and yeah, I will come in and check in 10 hours. I'll check in 8 hours, and I will actually do 8 hours this time. I'll check in 8 hours to see how it's held up. I haven't really powdered my face apart from under my eyes and a little bit on my nose, but that is it, and I'll come back in 8 hours to see how it's held up. Right, so I'm back now. I put my makeup on at 9:30, and it is now, where's my phone? It is now, oh, it's just gone 8:30 actually, so that's what, 9:30 to 8:30, that's 11, is that 11 hours? Yeah, 11 hours. And it's held up quite well. Like, I'm not as oily as I thought I'd be. Like, I still am quite oily, but yeah, nowhere near as much as I thought I'd be. I'm quite happy with it. I think I'd probably use it as my summer shade personally, but in terms of the actual like forming and stuff like that, it's quite a sheer finish. So for me, when my face is like quite bad and blemished at the moment, I don't think it's right. But I say this is definitely light to medium coverage, and yeah, I just said I do like it. There's nothing wrong with it really. I can't remember how much it was. I think it was maybe, I want to say £7.99, I'm not sure, but I'll definitely leave all the prices below and links below. But for a drugstore foundation, you know, if you want something that's got medium coverage or just want to even out your skin tone, then I'd definitely say this is a really good one, and I can't fault it personally. If I'd powdered, then I think it would have been, the longevity of it would have been like even longer, but as I said, I'm really happy with it, and I can't complain at all. So yeah, I don't know how, I'd probably give it 7.5 out of 10. Yeah, 7.5 out of 10, and yeah, that is it. If you like this video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.